Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple is reportedly preparing to begin production of its long-rumored foldable iPhone later this year, with a launch expected in the fall of 2026. According to trusted Apple analyst Ming Chico, manufacturing will kick off at Foxconn either in late Q3 September or early Q4 October of 2025. While production is nearing, many of the device components are still being finalized. However, one key part is already ready, the foldable display, which will be manufactured by Samsung Display. This confirms earlier rumors that Samsung will play a major role in delivering Apple's first foldable screen. It's worth highlighting that the current leaks suggest that the foldable iPhone will spot a 5.5-inch display when folded and expand to 7.8 inches when unfolded, similar in style to Samsung's Galaxy Fold lineup rather than the clamshell Galaxy Flip. It's rumored to be incredibly slim, just 4.5 mm when open and around 9.5 when folded, thanks to Apple's advanced hinge design that reportedly minimizes the crease. What's more, the foldable iPhone may ditch Face ID in favor of the under-display cameras and possibly Touch ID as Apple works around space constraints. As expected, this will be a premium product. Cook previously estimated a price tag between $2,000 and $2,005 even before factoring in rising tariffs in China. Samsung Display is expected to produce 7 to 8 million panels in 2026, while Apple may order between 15 to 20 million units, a volume anticipated to last 2 to 3 years, given the device's ultra-premium positioning and limited demand. While Apple is targeting a fall 2026 release as part of the iPhone 18 lineup, Cook cautions that these plans could still shift as the project moves toward full-scale production. With production around the corner, all eyes will be on Apple as it prepares to enter the foldable market with a design that could set a new benchmark for premium smartphones.